my goodness, we got pterodactyls on the other side. Huh.
They are cute. They're adorable.
And I can have a nice chocolate.
Let's get her. There we go. Yeah. Look at this one towering over us.
He has like the most skinniest legs and necks. Hello. Oh, he's looking at the camera.
He is directly at us. Yeah, a little one, mini one.
Oh my god,
Look at
what's
this
wrong?
one. He wants the water from the other side.
What's... Look at this chicken.
One in a cage.
That's what Georgie used. We had one exactly like him, and his name was Georgie.
Oh, hello. This one's poking his head out of you.
And this one wants to go everywhere. This one's really brown and cute. Hello, don't like me. Oh, he's cute. He's gorgeous, actually.
Tell this one's really watching. You can tell this one's really watching, eh? Yeah.
Hello. Cookie. Look at this one. What an interesting looking chickie.
This one laid an egg.
Get out my face. Got an egg. This one's beautiful. Look at that. See this one?
Oh, that one's gorgeous.
That one too.
As usual.
Look at the fluff around the face.
Yeah, he was poking his head out before.
Bantam.